Okay, we come to Bexley and we come to a sunny top. We have a problem when they flush the toilet, it comes up to the top and then overfills. So the first thing we need to do is find the fuse and remove the fuse. Okay, fuse is unplugged. Right, let's try and see an easy way to get this out. Okay, I found the problem. The Saniflo is okay. The problem is here, this pipe has no bends on it. It's just a plastic pipe and it's got a kink in it. So there's no way the water's going to go out. So we have to break away the tile. Clear inside there. Just needs a good clean out. That's it. Okay. Put that together. Okay, that's been cleaned out. One. And that's going to be easy flow. So I can adjust that. That's about right. Yes, I think I can do that. Okay, we're just tying up this pipe inside with an offset bend. Just get that level. Need to get it as tight as possible. Okay, we've put the bends in, the offset bends, and we're ready to reinstall the unit. And now there's no more bend, it should rectify the problem. Okay, the Saniflo's been put back together and it's all been tested and it's working satisfactorily. Water's gone down and the job's been done.